Hello there, Rod Elmore here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the all-new pressure cooker. Yeah, I actually picked this up a few days ago. I wanted to test it out. This is a 8-quart pressure cooker, and I really like it because it's huge. And we're going to talk more about that coming up.
There are 13 one-touch cooking programs. You got pasta, rice, cake. Yes, you can cook cake. Sauté, I love the Sauté feature. Multigrain, and you can even steam vegetables. Love steaming the vegetables.